With the summer season coming up, many of us will be spending time in swimsuits and shorts. But for some of us, unwanted hair is an issue that causes embarrassment and anxiety. Luckily, there are multiple natural remedies that can help remove unwanted hair in a variety of ways. Discover them all here, and also our recipe that is working and effective. There are a few things to consider before choosing a method of hair removal. The first is the area of the body that you want to remove hair from. Some methods are better suited for small areas, like the upper lip, while others can be used on larger areas, like the legs. Another thing to consider is how long you want the results to last. Some methods, like shaving, only last for a few days. Others, like laser hair removal, can last for months or even years. Finally, you need to consider your budget. Some methods, like waxing, can be quite expensive. Others, like shaving, are very affordable. Once you've considered these factors, you can start looking at specific hair removal methods. There are many natural ways to eliminate unwanted body hair. One of the simplest and most effective ways to get rid of body hair is to use a sugar and lemon juice mixture. All you need is equal parts sugar and lemon juice, and you can apply it to your skin with a cotton ball. The lemon juice will act as an astringent, and the sugar will help to exfoliate your skin. This will help to remove any unwanted hair, as well as any dead skin cells that might be causing the hair to appear more prominently. If you're looking for a more natural option, you can try using a mixture of baking soda and water. This mixture can help to remove hair without the use of any harsh chemicals. Simply mix together equal parts baking soda and water, and apply it to your skin with a cotton ball. The baking soda will help to exfoliate your skin, and the water will help to remove any unwanted hair. If you're looking for a more permanent solution, you can try using a mixture of honey and lemon juice. This mixture can help to remove hair follicles, which will prevent hair from growing back. To make this mixture, simply mix together equal parts honey and lemon juice. Apply it to your skin with a cotton ball, and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water, and you should notice a significant reduction in the amount of hair on your body. If you're looking for a safe, gentle, and inexpensive way to eliminate unwanted body hair, home remedies are a good option. Now learn our working and effective recipe that is easily and painlessly. 1 tablespoon baking soda. 1 lemon. 'Mix them well. 1 tablespoon toothpaste. 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide 3%. 'Aloe vera gel for moisturizing. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there will be more meaningful and valuable tips coming after this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the video's comment section. And thank you very much for watching.